Are you searching for a phone mount for your motorcycle, but aren't sure which one to buy? In this video, I'll show you one option: Quad Lock's motorcycle handlebar mount with accessory vibration dampener and suitable case for my phone. Here you can see the provided tools needed to do the job, as well as the parts and hardware themselves. Let's quickly install this on the bike and touch on some considerations for mounting. A quick note of a possible oversight when mounting is which hand will most often or most likely use or operate the device. I, being right-handed, thought about a right side mount, being that's the hand to write or draw or I use most of the time, but I imagine being stopped and trying to use the device. When I'm stopped, my left hand is busy with the clutch, so I'm mounting it on the left-hand side as I won't be able to use my left hand. Now that it's mounted, look at how easy it was to install and how helpful it will be when riding using maps on adventures. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind hitting the like, feel free to do so, and subscribe for more content. I will catch you on the next one.